Hey Taylor, this way, it's actually over here. So welcome to 3773 North Heather Place, and we're here in the Barkley neighborhood, right next to all of the amenities that Barkley has to offer. We're right next to Mount Baker Highway, Squalicum High School, trails, parks, lake, the list goes on and on. So come on in. All right, so check this out. So we've got new siding, paint, and if you look up above, a brand new roof. Those are some of the main components when you're looking at a house, found under the house, exterior, and top of the house, that are some of the most important components of the health of the house. Come on in. All right, so I actually know the history of this kitchen all the way through the living room remodel. So this used to actually have a wall right here, and during the pandemic, 2021, this was completely knocked out, hardwoods refinished, new island, appliances, cabinets, everything. So now it's an open concept, which open concept is one of our favorite buzzwords along with quintessential, but we're not gonna use quintessential in this video here, just open concept. So it's really great. It's been modernized, opened up, great entertainment space. Take a look, nice 2-car garage here, plenty of storage. One of my favorite features is having a half bath right off the garage. So let's say you're out in the garage, you're working on something. It's great to have this space so that you can come in, wash off, you're not tracking dirt through the house. There's Taylor. And also when you have guests over, instead of them traipsing through the house, going through the master bedroom or downstairs to use your other bathroom, they can just use this half bath. It's a really, really useful bathroom. It's one of my favorite features that I see in houses. Let there be light. Welcome to the primary suite. This is the largest bedroom in the house, and this is on the main floor. So that's one thing I really wanted to mention about this house. For many people, they want all of their main living on the main floor, right? And so you walk in, there's one step to get in the house, and you're here in the primary suite, right off the main living area. So this house is 5-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,400 square feet, and it's got 2 levels. So for those of you that want to have 2 separate living spaces, this is a great opportunity to have that, right? Separate entry. This is the second living space, second living room, so to call it. And we have a full-on sauna here. And I've been in the sauna, and it works great. It's hot though, really hot. Just how you like it, just how you need it. A lot of the times what you get when you have 4 or 5 bedrooms in the house is, not above 2,000 or 3,000 square feet. You get these small bedrooms. It's like they packed them in. These are really, really good sized bedrooms. Everyone gets a really good sized bedroom, which is awesome. Check this out. Okay, I wanna let you just pan here on this view for a second. So this is one of the largest lots in the neighborhood, just under 12,000 square feet. You've got tons of space. It's mostly flat, slopes a little bit at the bottom of the lot, but very flat up here at the top. And oh my goodness, pickleball. It disappeared for a long time, but it's back. And you could have your own pickleball court in your backyard. That might mean that you can play all that you want. It could also mean that all your friends want to come over all the time, and that could be good. Or you could get no peace and quiet. Woo!
Admin failed.
This is so check this out right here. I want to show you something really quickly. So this has actually been resurfaced and resealed. And the aesthetic that the sellers went for was actually to make it look like it's a little bit wet. So it's a wet finish right here, and this is called the kitchen. So you're not supposed to go in here. So I'm actually in violation. If I had actually hit that last point, this is just a quick pickleball lesson. If I had hit that last point and stepped into the kitchen, that point would not have counted. What I love about this sport court, because we played a lot of bump, if you've played bump, for all of you Gen Zers and millennials and potentially Gen Xers that have played bump in your life, we played a lot of bump here on this hoop. So there's actually a basketball hoop, pickleball court, shed, garden, fruit trees, Ninja Warrior, obstacle course, flat yard. This is your entertainment paradise right here. And you're in Barkley and you're close to everything. Nothing you have to do to this house. This house is ready to go right now. Listed at $825,000 by me and the Cohen Group. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, please reach out to me directly at 360-393-6644, or you can email me at leo@cohengroupnw.com. See you soon.